Welcome everyone, it's Gray Shirt Guy, rocking the gray shirt as always. Hope you're doing great. Got some more Battlebonds. And yeah, we're just gonna kind of break into it and just kind of see what we got. I got another half case of Battlebond. I'm gonna only open one box though, so this will be the third box I believe from the Battlebond set. And I'll just take the other three and put them in storage for either future unboxings or maybe doing a draft. And let's see what we got in here. The prices for Battlebond singles has been pretty decent. And I'm super excited to see what we're gonna get. If we get a foil True Name Nemesis or a foil Nagila, because I already got a foil Nagila in one of the last two boxes. If you haven't watched those, go ahead and check those out. Got some pretty sweet pulls in there. And I definitely like this box. I think they should have kept with this box. This is a pretty good way to do this. And yeah, I'm just gonna, normally I put my packs over here, but it's kind of like hard to do that with the box. We'll just take the packs out. And yeah, so I need to take, oh, you know what I forgot to do with my Shadows of Innistrad. I need to take one pack and give it to the Pack Wars box. So we're gonna set that aside for the Pack Wars box. And yeah, let's just kind of crack into it and see what we got. All right, let's see which, I think this is what would be considered the top. And we're just gonna kind of look at the foils, mythics, and rares, because I think this is in the Japanese order, which is like the rares on top. So we got a Murr token, we got an island, foil Sea of Clouds. What? We start with a foil duel. That's pretty nice. That is pretty nice. I'm super happy about that. And our rare is Tidespout Tyrant. We start the video with a foil Sea of Clouds. That is beautiful. Just look, that art. You know, I wish that this would be the new way all the cards feel. The Battlebond cards, some of them feel thin, but like these foils feel nice, thick, and I just really like it. Lore Weaver, so those are our two partners, and Vampire Charm Seeker. Okay, all right. We'll just, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, let's keep them all together in one stack. Actually, no, I'm gonna take the. We'll take, yeah, we'll do that. Apologies if you hear me sniffling or whatever. I mean, it's the winter. It's a little dry. So we got Zombie, little Zombie action, Forest, and Virtuous the Veiled, which comes with Gorm the Great. Nice. So those are rares, and then we got Long Road Home, Out of Bounds, and oh, okay. Okay, so since we got two rares, we only got two uncommons. All right, cool. And then we got Shock for our common. I was like, wait a minute, that's a common. Let me sort my jazz out here. So we got a foil rare, so that might just be the only foil rare we get, which, yeah, it's fine. I'm good with foil dual lands. All right, Warrior Plains, a foil Hand of I almost said Sigmar, but Silumgar. And we got Apocalypse Hydra. Okay, you know, I'm not anti-Apocalypse Hydra. I mean, it's 30 cents or something like that. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm not 100% at against it. We got, was it Gillette Sphinx, Flying Vigilance when it attacks other tech. Oh, okay. Slum Reaper, cool name. Genesis Chamber, all right. Ooh, little Augur Spree action going on there. All right, foils go with the foils. What am I really looking for? I can always use more doubling seasons, more land tax. Land tax is really nice. I would definitely enjoy getting at least one more land tax. There are a couple cards I don't have. I didn't look. I should have looked before I started to see what cards I don't have. Mountain. Oh, Mind's Eye. There you go. Mind's Eye is a winner. Kiss of the Amnesia, Blood Feud, and Oresca Explorer. Okay, cool. Yeah. Put the commons over there. Yeah, Mind's Eye. Pretty nice. So Mind's Eye, it's pretty much for only certain decks. You can put it in any deck, but it's just like you want a deck that maybe is making your opponent draw cards, plus you have to have extra mana. So I don't know, just it's situational. It's not bad, but it's not great. Island Game Plan. All right, so let's see, assist. Each player shuffles their hand. Oh, okay, yeah, not bad. We got Decorated Champion, Nimblest Champion, and Relentless Hunter. All right. Zombie Giant, Swamp, Brightling. There's our first mythic. Nice. Brightling's worth a couple bucks. Make a separate stack for some mythics. Swarm of Bloodflies, Battle Rattle Shaman, and Battle Mastery. Alright. So we got 36 packs, I do believe, to go through. Is it 36? I think it's 36. So we should speed this up a little bit. We'll just look at the. We're not going to worry about the uncommons. So we got okay. Oh, Magus of Candelabra. I think it's like maybe $1. I don't know. All right. Actually, I don't know why I'm doing that. Inventory management, real quick. Just have to sort my rares from my not rares. All right, we'll do that. Okay. Alrighty. Let's crack another pack open. Oh no, I did it wrong. Whew. Forest? Oh, it's a Nithraxidid. I apologies for the naming. Okay, this used to be pretty popular, from what I understand. Ooh, Canopy Spider. Eh. I definitely like the way these packs open. Mountain, ooh, a foil Aurora Champion, and our rares, Luxury Suites. Nice. Can always use some duels. And when you're playing Commander, these are basically just old school duels. So, no problem there. What is that? Juggernaut. So I signed up for the Ravnica Allegiance's pre-release. It'll probably be weeks ago after you, by the time you see this video, though. Core Spirit Dancer, nice. The Drake, Courage, Grave Lord, okay. All right. Try not to bend the cards. Boom, and there you go, Arcane Artisan, nice. It's like a nice mythic. Ooh, Swords Plowshare uncommon, very nice. I'll have to sort through and pull out any of the spicy uncommons when I do the value. I'm pretty much just looking to see if I can pull more value or equal value to what I spent, or get kind of close to it. So that'd be pretty nice. Evil Twin, not a big high on Evil Twin. We're getting near the halfway point. Oh, we got the emblem. Ooh, Stolen Strategy, there you go. How is everyone doing? I should be, by the time you're watching this, in the middle of doing a class. So I'm trying to do some record some videos before I have to do that class. We got Water Courser Foil. All right, and Generous Patriot. All right, Elf Advisor for our rare. What's it? Pier's Whim. I think it's what it says. Pier's Whim. Yeah, for our rare. Haunted Wampus. All right. I wonder, I mean, it'll be long since after you see this video. I wonder what I pulled in the Ravnica Allegiance. Put a comment down below. Guess to see what I may have had. Victory Chimes. Untap Victory Chimes during each other plays on tap step, and then tap a player of your choice adds one colorless. Okay. That could be useful. I should have got some more Ultimate Masters, but the price now is just, it's too much. Spellseeker, there you go. Spellseeker's nice. A little chain lightning action going on. All right. Halfway through the box. Where's the thing? Oh, it's on this side. You want to, nope, zoom out a little bit. get that trash off the table. Oh, we got Nirkana's Revenant. It's mythic. All right, okay. No doubling season yet, but it's not terrible. All right, let's crack on to the next full tower we got over here. Oh, nope, that's not it. There we go. That's the easy pull tab. That's the money maker right there. Ooh, we got Rajana the Redeemed. I don't know if I have these or not. And then we got the Crom the Unredeemed. And, Cheering Fanatics. All right. There we go. It's on this side. Lightning Talons Foil and Magmatic Force. Okay. See if maybe we got some decent uncommons. Sow of Temptation, Fairy Wizard, or Sower of Temptation. A little switcheroo going on there. Okay. That was a good pull. That was a good pull of pack. It opened really well. Regina's Sanction. All right. Whoa, no. I dropped the whole pack. Apologies. Whew. This is going to be the pack that's got a bunch in it. Nah, it's got Mangara of Corondor? I forget which one this does. Exile, okay, Exile blah, and target permanent. Oh, okay. Boom. Gotta take my car in for an oil change tomorrow. There we go, Najeel the Blade Blossom. She's worth a couple bucks. And yeah, and we got her in non-foil and foil last time, so we got another non-foil. Always good to see a Najeela. I have her on Mitgo, but I don't think I recorded a Mitgo game for her. I don't know. I know I made her deck, but I don't know if I recorded a game. I'd have to look through. I still have a few decks on Mitgo that I haven't made videos for, just because it takes a while to make the videos for them, and I just haven't felt the desire to play Mitgo. So, get ourselves an emblem. We got a plains, and we got bonus round for our rare. All right. Doop doop. Yeah. So if you want to see some Mitgo games, let me know. For as long as Mitgo's around, I don't know if I'll keep buying decks for it, but I'll definitely play the decks I have. So, Enthralling Victor foil, and a rare is Virtuous Maneuvers. I don't know. This box isn't screaming of super high value to me. There's a couple good cards in here so far, but I don't know. It's not giving me that warm and fuzzy. Vigor is our rare. Nope. Alright. What do we got here? Luxury Suite again. Alright, same dual land. Cool. More dual lands are never a terrible thing. I just love these packs. I can see in the future doing a draft with this. Stunning Reversal is our mythic. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this mythic. No. Mountain Anchor of Valor's Reach. Oh, not bad. Could be useful in certain metas. It's pretty nice. Or Archon, I think is what it would be called. A foil plains, a regular foil plains. I don't mind foil basics. And a last one standing. All right, okay. Not bad. Those are kind of cool. Little box art. I don't know what card she's on. New Scrap Mob. I freaking love New Scrap Mob. Not fun to play against, but fun to play with. Also not worth a huge ton of value, but as a card, it's nice. So we're looking to try to make $85-ish. We got Zender Split's Judgment. You know, we didn't get a lot of the partner stuff, like the partner commanders and stuff. We didn't get a lot of that. It's interesting. All right, well, we got 2 packs left. We got Guafa, the Profiteer? Nah, I don't like playing against this guy. I played against a couple commander decks with him in there. I think I mentioned it before how much I don't like. I got tons of Savage Ventmaws. All right, last pack. Hopefully we get something spicy. Something nice. What do we got? Ooh, foil Phantom Warrior. And behind that, we have a Pure Imaginative Rascal. All right, so we did get a partner set. We got Pure and Toothy Imaginary Friend for a rare. All right, that is it. So I'm gonna check the TCG Player app and see what value we got. Be right back. All right, so per the TCG Player app, we got $92.92. So we got $92.92. This is more than I paid for the box. Now, the TCG Player app identified some of the cards as not being on Battlebond. They identified them as being from different sets. But I would come to think that the value would be very similar for most of the cards, like Dragons of Tarkir. Like, these are like, the foils are kind of worth not a lot. I mean, the foil Suit of Clouds were $30. That's really nice. Good to see that we got a good, decent foil rare in there. Then we got the Mythics from Battlebond. Let's see, Nagila's worth $5.17. Brightling's worth Luxury Suite, just a regular Luxury Suite. We got 2 of those, and that's $6.29 a piece, I do believe. Now the Vigor says it's from Duels of Planeswalker, so that might be cheaper. The Battlebond version might be cheaper, but that's what the app selected. So I don't know. We can even just take the 5. Even if we took the $5.63 off, we're still more than I paid for the. We still made more in value than I paid for the box, not including some of the uncommons because I didn't scan any uncommons, and I know we had at least 1 Swords of Plowshare. I think it was Swords of Plowshare. So, which I think is like $1 or whatever. But yeah, like the rares, you know, we didn't get a ton of value out of these. And then again, I mean, I wouldn't be able to sell all these for $92.99. Most likely I would sell them for like, I don't know, $60 or whatever. If I was selling them, because these bulk rares aren't going to be worth a ton. But I mean, if I was going to buy them, I still got more in this pack, and I got to enjoy the unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and I don't really have any plans on what unboxings or videos are going to come in the future. I mean, I still have the Odysseys to crack, and we still have, we still got unboxings to do. It's just there might be a slowdown because I'm starting class here in a couple days, so just be aware. And hope you guys have a great day. And see y'all around.